I'm Tony with Direct Metal Roofing, and today we're answering the question, how do I know if it's time to replace my roof? Well, that's a great question. There's a few things that you should know. First, in Florida, roofs last anywhere on the low end between about 10 years all the way to 25 years. Now this has a lot to do with the weather and different situations. But if your roof is between 10 and 25 years old, it's time for you to start looking and maybe noticing a few things. For example, when you look up at your roof, do you notice any areas that are missing shingles or missing pieces of shingles? Another nice telltale sign is granular loss. Now that's an easy one to notice, especially if you have gutters. When you look in your gutters, do you see all the granulars coming off of the shingles and landing in your gutters? Well, that might mean it's time for a new roof. If you look up at your roof and you see a shiny area, well, that's actually the fiberglass matting that's underneath the granulars of your shingles. It's definitely time for a new roof if you could see that. And of course, the number one sign to let you know it's time for a new roof is when you have water inside your house. If you have an active leak, maybe it's time to start considering a new roof. Give us a call at Direct Metal Roofing. We would love to give you an estimate.